In today's video, I am going to teach you how to chat people in Zoho Mail if you don't find them. If you are trying to start a conversation with someone and they do not show up right away, it can feel confusing. The good news is that Zoho Mail has a simple process for opening the chat panel, searching for a person, and inviting someone if they are not part of your organization. First, you will click the chat icon in Zoho Mail to open the chat panel. This is usually located within the Zoho Mail interface, and it may be visible near the top area or within the sidebar, depending on your layout. Take a moment to look for the chat symbol, then click it. When you do this, the chat panel should appear, and you will typically see options to start a new conversation or search within your chat contacts. Opening the chat panel is the starting point because it is where you will manage and find people in Zoho Mail. Next, once the chat panel is open, you will use the search bar inside the chat section to search by the person's full name or email address. This search bar is designed to help you quickly locate someone without having to browse through a long list. Type the full name of the person you are looking for, or if that is not convenient, enter their email address. As you type, Zoho Mail should filter results so you can see matching accounts and chat options. This step matters because it confirms whether the person is already available for you to chat with, especially if they are part of your contacts or part of your organization. Now, if you see that the person is not in your organization, you will need to use invite user or add external user to send an invitation. This is the correct path when the search does not return their account as someone you can chat with directly. Before you invite, make sure you understand what the interface is telling you, which is essentially that they are not already set up within your organization. When you are ready, click either Invite User or Add External User, depending on the option you see in your chat panel. After you choose Invite User or Add External User, you will send the invitation using their email address. You will typically be prompted to enter the email address in an invite field. Enter the email address for the person you want to chat with, then proceed with the invitation action. Zoho Mail will use that address to generate an invite so the other person can access the appropriate chat or collaboration space. This step is important because it creates the connection that was missing from the organization, allowing communication to begin. Finally, after you have sent the invitation, you can return to the chat panel and continue your search when appropriate. Invitations may take a moment to process, and once the person accepts or is set up, they should become available in the chat experience. The timing can vary, but the key idea is that you have taken the necessary action to bring an external person into your chat environment. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.